Plus, it's me, Oralofori, and I'm here to wish you guys a belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is me taking an opportunity to acknowledge each and every one of you people in my circles. I just realized I have over 300 plus friends and over 800 people in my circles, so this is me taking an opportunity to say thanks. I'm scrolling through all my friends, and if you see a face in there, then you know that's me saying thank you for being in my circle. And let's do this again in 2014. I wish you all the best in 2014, and I hope 2014 brings to reality all the things you are dreaming about making real. And I know there will be hardship, but hey, we all need a fair balance in life. It can't be rosy and easy all the time. We need some hardships every once in a while to make things, balanced. Anyway, this is me saying thanks for being my friend. Thanks for all the plus ones. Thanks for all the shares. Thanks for all the comments. And thanks for all the suggestions and the ideas. We look forward to making 2014 a much better year. We look forward to being able to improve upon our friendships out here on G+. G+ has been a wonderful medium for connecting and networking for me personally, and I believe it has been the same for you. Anyway, like I said, I'm saying thanks to everyone who has been a friend to me here on G+, and as I scroll through, you might see your face. If you see your face in there, then you know I have acknowledged you, and I am wishing you the best of the year 2014. Let's pray that 2014 presents better opportunities, and all the ideas that we were unable to implement to success in 2013, let's look forward to making them happen in 2014. I believe 2014 is going to be a very good year for each and every one of you, and I feel it in my bones. I want to say, hey, if I was unable to keep in touch with you one way or the other, I apologize for that. I look forward to changing that in 2014. But hey, if you don't hear from me, you have my contact. Also make it an effort to try to reach out. Say, hey, what's up with you? That way I know, I don't forget you. But all the same, thanks for all that you do. Thanks for, helping this effort that I am, championing, called the African Dream. The African dream is not only for Africans, it's just, a dream that I have where I'm working towards making things better in and for Africans, and, helping that betterment spread so the entire world can benefit from it. So it's actually not only an African thing, it's a global thing. We're just using Africa as an offshoot because I'm originally from Ghana in West Africa. So yeah, I know you're sensing a little bit of bias there, but hey, that's where I was born. I was born in Ghana, West Africa, so I might as well pay some homage to my roots and to my identity. Anyway, once again, thanks for everything, and let's make G+ a better place. Let's take this opportunity to be better people in 2014. By the way, I also have a blog. You can check it out on www.oralofori.com. That's the blog where I write about things concerning the African dream. It's not always about Africans. I also occasionally feature non-Africans there. So if you know someone out there who has a story that is connected to the African dream that you want to share, send me an email, oralofori@gmail.com. That's O for Orange, R for Rainbow, A for Apple, L for Lion, O for Orange again, F for France, O for Orange again, R for Rainbow, and I for India. oralofori@gmail.com. And we'll look forward to sharing the word and spreading the news out there, all to the betterment of the African dream and to the entire world. As you can see, I'm still scrolling through, so hopefully I don't miss any one of the 800 plus people in my circles here.